So over here, you can see that I have a Python programming code right here that actually allows me to enter out two numbers right here, and it'll display out the high value of numbers just like this. So what you can actually also do is you can go ahead right here and convert out the Python programming code to another programming language such as C# by using Qwen. So to do that, let me just paste out the programming code right here just like this, and I'm going to say convert this Python code to C# code right here just like this. So I can simply go ahead and give that prompt, and then what happens is that it'll go ahead and take this particular Python programming code and convert the programming to C# right here. So if I were to copy this, go ahead onto C# and paste it out and then run, then what happens is that now you can see that I have the same program right here, but now in C#. So that is how you can go ahead and then convert out programming codes from one to another using Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.